everyone, welcome to maths class. You all know that we are going through chapter number 7, that is properties of triangles. So from this chapter we have already learned about two properties of triangle. The first property is angle sum property of triangle, that is the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and the next property is exterior angle property of triangle. That property is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So today we are going to learn another important property of triangle. Triangle inequality property. Triangle inequality property. So before starting this property, we will know something about triangle. Suppose ABC be a triangle. ABC be a triangle. And in this triangle, the triangle, it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So AB, BC and AC are the sides of this triangle. Are the sides of this triangle. So how can you denote the sides of this triangle? How can you denote the side of this triangle? So we need to, first of all, we need to learn the opposite vertex of each side. The opposite vertex of BC, can you tell me what is the opposite vertex? So what are the vertices of the triangle? A, B, C. So a triangle has three vertices. So each side has a opposite vertex. So what is the opposite vertex of BC? A. This is the opposite vertex of A. Can you tell me what is the opposite vertex of AC? B is the opposite vertex of AC. And C is the opposite vertex of AB. C is the opposite vertex of AB. So now I will tell you how can you denote the how can you denote the sides? How can you denote the sides? We will denote this side BC, which is opposite to the vertex of AB. A, which is opposite to the vertex of A. So that's why we need to denote this side by small letter A. Small letter A. Since the opposite vertex is A, so we need to denote this side by small a. So can you tell me how can I denote the side AC? What is the opposite vertex of AC? B, capital B. So we need to denote this side by small b. How can you denote this side AB? We need to denote this side AB by the small letter C. Okay. So AB equal to C, AC equal to B and BC equal to A. Okay. Now we will know the triangle inequality property. What is the triangle inequality property? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. You know that a triangle has three sides. So the sum of any two sides of a triangle. At a triangle je kono duto side sum always third side theke greater hobe. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So if you assume this triangle A, B, C. This side is small a, this side is small b, and this is small c. So, according to this property, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So that means B plus C is greater than A, and A plus B is greater than C, and A plus C is greater than B. These three relation holds in triangle inequality property. So if the sum of any two sides is less than the third side, then we cannot we cannot draw any triangle using that sides. যদি দুটো সাইডের সাম থার্ড সাইড থেকে ছোট হয়ে যায় তাহলে আমরা সেই সাইডগুলো দিয়ে কোনো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ড্র করতে পারবো না। ওকে, so this is the triangle inequality property. Just you have to define this property, don't need to prove this property. Okay, this is a very important property of triangle. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so using this property now we will solve some problems. First example, O is a point in the O is a, all of you look at this figure. O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. This is the interior part of this triangle. O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. State which of the following statements are true or false. Give reason in support of your answer. First statement is OA plus OB greater than AB. OA plus OB greater than AB. So, for checking this statement is true or false, we need to take this triangle OAB. OAB. So, in OAB, OA, OB and AB are the sides of triangle OAB. And you know that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. OA plus OB greater than AB. So, this is a triangle inequality property. So, this statement is true by the triangle inequality property. Triangle inequality property. So, in triangle inequality property, we know that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So, this statement is true. Next, OB plus OC less than BC. OB plus OC less than BC. OB, OC and BC are the sides of triangle OBC. So, OB plus OC must be greater than BC, but the statement is less than BC. So, this statement will be false. OB plus OC less than BC. This statement will be false. By triangle inequality property, we can write this, but this will not be true. The statement, this statement is false. Okay. Next, OA plus OC equal to AC. OA plus OC equal to AC. But we know OA and OC are the sides of this triangle. Okay, so I am not writing here. So OA plus OC and AC are the sides of this triangle. So OA plus OC must be greater than AC. So this cannot be equal. So this statement is also false. This statement is also false. Next problem. Which of the following can be the possible lengths of a triangle? So, can you draw a triangle using this length? Using this length, let's check that. So, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, which is greater than the third side. 5 plus 3 equal to 8, which is greater than the third side. And 3 plus 3 equal to 6, which is greater than the third side. So, therefore 3, 5, 3 can be the possible lengths, of the sides of a triangle, Okay. So, using this side, we can draw a triangle. Next, 4, 3, 8. 4 plus 3 equal to 7, which is less than 8. So, this cannot be the possible lengths of the sides of a triangle 4, 3, 8 because the triangle inequality property does not hold here. You know that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So using this side we cannot draw a triangle. So 4, 3, 8 cannot be the possible lengths of the sides of triangle, Now everyone look at this problem. Question number 3. In the figure, which of the following is correct? Here some relations are given: BC greater than AC, AC greater than AB, AB greater than AC, and AB less than BC. So which option will be correct in this figure? So here you have to find the relation between the sides. Sides এর মধ্যে relation find out করতে হবে, মানে কোন সাইডটা বড় কোন সাইডটা ছোট, which side is greater than which side is less than which side. You have to find the relation between the sides. But in this figure you can see that some angles are measurement of some angles are given. So you know that the side opposite to the greatest angle is the greatest side, and the side opposite to the smallest angle is the smallest side. তাহলে আমরা জানি যে একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলে যদি অ্যাঙ্গেল তিনটে দেওয়া থাকে, তাহলে যেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সবথেকে বড় হবে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইডটা সব থেকে বড় হবে, আর যেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সব থেকে ছোট হবে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইডটা সব থেকে ছোট হবে। ধরো দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেল আছে, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা 25 ডিগ্রি আর এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সাপোজ 35 ডিগ্রি, তাহলে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা এই অ্যাঙ্গেলের থেকে বড়। সিমিলারলি এই অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইড যেটা আর এই অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইড যেটা, তাহলে যেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা বড় সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইডটা যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ছোট সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইডের থেকে বড় হবে। Remember this. Okay, this is a very important relation. So in this figure, first of all we have to find the value of measure of each angles of this triangle. In this triangle, one angle is given, angle BAC, and this external angle is given 105 degree. You can see here this is a straight line, and by linear pair we can see that the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. You know that in a linear pair the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So angle ACD and plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So angle ACB equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. The measure of this angle is 105 degree. It is indicated in this figure. So 180 minus 105 degree, this will be 75 degree. This angle is 75 degree. Now you have to find the another angle of this triangle, angle ABC. You know that by angle sum property, you know that the sum of the measure of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So angle ABC, how can you find this angle where two angles are given? So if you subtract the sum of this and this angle from 180 degree, then we can find the measure of this angle. তাহলে এখানে যেহেতু তিনটা অ্যাঙ্গেলের সাম 180 ডিগ্রি, এখানে দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেল দেওয়া আছে, তাহলে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা আমরা কিভাবে ফাইন্ড আউট করব? 180 ডিগ্রি থেকে আমরা এই দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেলের সামকে সাবট্রাক্ট করে দেব। Then you can find the measure of angle ABC. (180 degree minus 75 degree plus 25 degree. So 180 degree minus 100 degree, this will be 80 degree. Okay, so angle ACB 75, angle ABC 80 degree, angle BSC 25 degree. Let's check the option. BC greater than AC. তাহলে BC আর AC এর মধ্যে কোন সাইডটা বড় হবে সেটা ফাইন্ড আউট করার জন্য আমাদের BC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল দেখতে হবে। BC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল 25 ডিগ্রি, AC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল 80 ডিগ্রি। সো আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি the opposite angle which is the angle which is opposite to AC is greater than the angle which is opposite to BC। আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে AC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেলটা BC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল থেকে বড়, তাহলে কি হবে? AC টা বড় হবে, বাট ইন দিস অপশন ইট ইজ গিভেন দ্যাট BC ইজ গ্রেটার দেন AC। দিস ইজ নট কারেক্ট। নেক্সট, AC গ্রেটার দেন AB। AC আর AB এর মধ্যে রিলেশন দেখতে হবে। তাহলে AC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল কত আছে? 80 ডিগ্রি। আর AB এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল কত আছে? 75 ডিগ্রি। তাহলে 80 বড় না 70 বড়? 80 বড়। Then we can find that the opposite angle, the angle which is opposite to AC is greater than the angle which is opposite to AB। আমরা দেখতে পেলাম যে AC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেলটা AB এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল থেকে বড়। সো we can say that AC is greater than AB। যেহেতু AC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেলটা AB এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল থেকে বড়, তাহলে AC AB থেকে বড় হবে। তাহলে AC is greater than AB। This option will be correct. Next, AB greater than AC। AB এর অপোজিট সাইডটা AC এর অপোজিট সাইড থেকে তো ছোট, তাহলে AB টা তো ছোট হবে। AB is less than AC হবে। So this option is not correct. AB less than BC। AB আর BC এর মধ্যে রিলেশন, তাহলে AB এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল 75 ডিগ্রি, BC এর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল 25 ডিগ্রি। তাহলে আমাদের AB is greater than BC, but here it is given AB is less than BC, so this option is not correct. So AC greater than AB, this will be the correct option. Okay, next question number 4. Two sides of a triangle measure 7 cm and 9 cm. The length of the third side, what will be the length of third side? So by triangle inequality property, we know that the sum of the length of two sides, the sum of the length of two sides is greater than the third side, is greater than the third side. So here the sum of two sides is 16. So the third side, the length of third side must be less than 7 plus 9। আমরা জানি যে দুটো সাইডের সাম থার্ড সাইড থেকে বড় হতে হবে। দ্যাট মিনস থার্ড সাইডের লেন্থটা আমাদের দুটো সাইডের লেন্থ থেকে ছোট হতে হবে। আমরা যদি এটাকে যদি উল্টো করে যদি বলি, এখানে বলা আছে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ইনইকুয়ালিটি প্রপার্টিতে যে দ্য সাম অফ টু সাইড ইজ গ্রেটার দ্যান দ্য লেন্থ অফ থার্ড সাইড। দ্যাট মিনস দ্য লেন্থ অফ থার্ড সাইড ইজ লেস দ্যান দ্য সাম অফ টু সাইডস। So length of third side must be less than 16 semi. So in this option, which is less than 16, this is greater than 16, this is also greater than 16, this is greater than 16. So these options are not correct. But 7.9 semi, this is less than 16, so this will be the correct option. I hope you can understand. Next question. Next, question number 5. In the given figure in triangle ABC, AB equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, AC equal to 5 cm. Name the smallest and largest angles of the triangle. In this figure, in this triangle, the length of each side is given. You have to find the smallest angle and what is the largest angle. এখানে আমাদের একটা ফিগারে, একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের ফিগারে তিনটে সাইড দেওয়া আছে। লার্জেস্ট অ্যাঙ্গেল কোনটা হবে আর স্মলেস্ট অ্যাঙ্গেল কোনটা হবে ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে। সো ইউ নো দ্যাট ইন আ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল the angle opposite to the largest side is the greatest angle and the angle opposite to the smallest side is the least angle. তোমরা একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলে জানো যে যেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সব থেকে বড় সাইডের অপোজিটে আছে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সব থেকে বড় হবে, আর যেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সব থেকে ছোট সাইডের অপোজিটে থাকবে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সব থেকে ছোট হবে। Okay, so the side, and similarly the side opposite to the largest angle is the largest, the side opposite to the smallest angle is the smallest. That means the angle opposite to the largest side is the largest, and the angle opposite to the smallest side is the smallest. Okay, so at a side 3 centimeter, another side is 4 centimeter, another side is 5 centimeter. So what is the greatest side? AC is the greatest side. So what is the opposite angle of AC? What is the opposite angle of AC? AC er opposite angle konta? Angle ABC. So that means angle ABC is the largest angle. Largest angle, since it is opposite to AC, which is the largest side of triangle ABC. Okay, clear? Next, what is the smallest angle? What is the smallest angle? 3 centimeter. This is the smallest side, and the opposite angle of this side is angle ACB. Angle ACB is the smallest angle. স্মলেস্ট অ্যাঙ্গেল। তাহলে সবথেকে বড় সাইডের অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল সবথেকে বড় হবে, সবথেকে ছোট সাইডের অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল সবথেকে ছোট হবে। সিমিলারলি কোনো সবথেকে বড় অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইড সবথেকে বড় হবে, সবথেকে ছোট অ্যাঙ্গেলের অপোজিট সাইড সবথেকে ছোট হবে। ওকে, you have to remember this. You have to remember this. Next, question number 6. In the given figure, AM is a median. This is very important question and you have to understand this. Okay. In the given figure, AM is median of triangle ABC. So in your previous class, you have learned that what is the median. In the given figure, AM is median of triangle ABC. Prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. How can you prove this? In this figure, you can see two triangle ABM and triangle ACM. So in triangle ABM, by triangle inequality property, we have the sum of any two side is greater than the third side. So in triangle ABM, we have AB plus BM is greater than M. By triangle inequality property, you have to mention when which property you will use. You have to mention that property name. Okay, AB plus BM is greater than M. So I have written here, this is 1 number equation. Okay, in triangle ACM, in this triangle we have AC plus CM is greater than M. AC plus CM is greater than M. This is also by triangle inequality property. Okay, so this is equation number 2. So now adding equation 1 and 2, we have AB adding equation 1 and 2, we have AB plus BM plus AC plus CM greater than AM plus AM. Okay, so AB, now look at this figure. BM plus CM, BM আর CM কে আমরা অ্যাড করলে পুরো BC-টাকে পাবো। সো BM and plus CM এর জায়গায় আমরা লিখতে পারি, AB, BM plus CM এর জায়গায় আমরা লিখতে পারি BC। সেটা আমি ফিগারে দেখালাম যে BM plus CM is equal to কি BC. BM and if you add BM and CM, you can get BC. BM plus CM plus AC greater than AM plus AM, which is greater than 2AM. So AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM. So hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. So in this topic I have solved 6 questions. If you have any queries from this question, you can ask me. And this is all about for this class.